everybody, I am back and I am super excited to share this video with you guys. I am doing a bride's hair. Yay! She's getting married this Friday. We will be using 3 bundles of my raw hair and 1 HD lace closure and body wave. So the first thing I'm going to do, I hate that I could not get my shoulder out of the way. But I'm going to go in with her foundation braids because this is a sew-in. We want it to be as flat as possible, so we're going to make the braids a bit smaller. And yeah, so I did the same thing on both sides. This is what the foundation looks like. Boom. You know, bam, bada bing. So I went in and I laid the cap down with boat hold. And for extra added security, I'm going to add some lace tape. She will be in Florida. It might be humid, so we just want that extra security. So boom, fast forward, and I'm done. You saw how fast that install was? And then when she removed the, come on. Come on, guys. Yes, nothing but scalp. So if you guys really like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.